In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a drop-down menu in Wix Studio step by step. This is perfect if you're building a professional website and want clean navigation with subpages that look modern and easy to use. Drop-down menus help improve user experience and keep your site organized, especially as it grows. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Wix Studio and web design tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Wix Studio. Sign into your Wix account and open the site you want to work on inside the Wix Studio editor. Once your editor loads, make sure you're on the page where you want to add your navigation menu. Usually this will be your site header, but the steps are the same anywhere on the page. Next, look at the left-hand toolbar and click on Add Elements. From the Elements panel, choose Menu and Search. Here, you'll see different menu styles available in Wix Studio. Scroll through the options or search for a menu style you like, then click on any menu to add it to your page. You can always change the design later, so just pick one to get started. Once the menu is on your page, click directly on the menu element to select it. You'll see a small toolbar appear near the menu. From here, click on Manage Menu. This is where you control the structure of your navigation, including drop-down items. Inside the Manage Menu panel, you'll see a list of your existing menu items. These usually match your site pages by default. To create a drop-down menu, you need a parent item with sub-items underneath it. Click on the menu item you want to turn into a drop-down. Then add a new item and drag it slightly to the right under the parent item. When it's indented, that means it will appear as part of the drop-down. You can repeat this step to add multiple sub-items under the same parent. Each indented item will appear when users hover or click the main menu item, depending on your menu settings. Rename each menu item so it clearly matches the page or section it links to. After organizing your menu structure, click on the menu again and open the Settings option. Here, you can control how the drop-down behaves. You can adjust whether the drop-down opens on hover or click, change animations, and fine-tune spacing for a smoother experience. Next, go to the Design tab for the menu. This is where you customize how your drop-down looks. You can change fonts, colors, background styles, hover effects, and highlight states. Make sure your drop-down items are easy to read and visually consistent with the rest of your site. Now, preview your site by clicking Preview at the top of the Wix Studio editor. Hover over your menu and confirm that the drop-down opens correctly and all links work as expected. If something doesn't look right, go back to Manage Menu or Design and make small adjustments. Once you're happy with how everything looks and works, click Publish to make your drop-down menu live on your website. That's it! You've successfully created a drop-down menu in Wix Studio. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Wix Studio tutorials and website building tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.